Hello again, and I apologize for not posting new videos in a while. I've been pretty busy. I recently graduated college, and I've been looking for work, and not just that, I've been pretty sick for the last 4 months, so I haven't really posted anything. However, today I'm going to post something interesting. This is something I've been working on for trying to figure out for a number of years. And if you've watched any of my older videos from a long time ago, here they are, these 6 videos. I was trying to figure out how to produce procedurally generated islands. Back then, I kind of epically failed at doing it, but today, or should I say the last couple of days, I figured out how to do it finally. For now, I'm just generating the maps I need for them, which includes a height map, a moisture map which shows areas where it's wet and dry, and the biomes that are generated from the moist and combination of both the moist and height maps. So let's play this demo. It takes some time. I haven't optimized the code yet, so which I'm trying to think about how to do it. As you can see, it generates a nice island in the middle of the kind of the map. This black area around the map is ocean floor. I'm probably going to change it around where it'll include more of the height map later on to make sure it doesn't go straight to 0 real fast. But other than that, it produces a nice island. The moisture map, which is the next one, if you press tab button, it shows areas where it's going to be wet and damp, where foliage will grow. As you can see, I'm using the height map to somewhat generate this to make it very uniform. This red area is where it's very dry, so this where sand or beach areas will generate, and in the middle here, this is where grassland will generate, and these darker areas, say bigger foliage like trees and stuff like that, will generate. And if you press tab again, this right here is the biome map. And as you can see from my what's the word for it? I can't think of the word. From my assumption, it worked out. The red areas are sand, and these kind of lighter, kind of purplish color is where grasslands will show up, and dark areas will most likely be where taller grass and trees will show up. And if I press tab again, this right here is a kind of generated mini map that could be used for, say, in game to show off where the player is on the map. The current idea I have for this game might be, say, an island survivor game, or a kind of conquer the island game, which is similar to, say, games like Zelda and Breath of the Wild and Far Cry, where you have enemies on a certain area and you conquer the area by using, say, a tower game, for example. Instead of focusing on, say, a game that's basically about missions, your objective is to conquer these individual areas of the island by defeating bases and stuff like that, and opening the map up using the tower kind of game mechanic. It might be a fun little experiment to do. Let's press tab again and go back to the height map. For this demo, if you press R, it will regenerate the map, in which takes some time. Come on, there we go. And it produces another island for you. and if you press tab again, it will show all the other maps. Let's do it one more time, just to show that it actually works. There we go. In this demo, if you press S, and let's go to the, not my demos folder, I want to go to Fredcraft, go to saves. This will save out to the file. I'm going to delete all these real quick and demonstrate to you that this works. There we go. If we preview these, this is all the surfaces that were rendered out. Alright, so how does this work? Internally, I went through a tutorial, or just read through a kind of a post from this guy. I'm going to link this post in my video description. Pretty much talks about noise, how to use noise to generate a height map, and the differences between different kind of noise functions. I'm also using the masks from this to generate either a sphere or a quad, and I'm choosing between the two to generate the islands, which produces something like this. Or if you're doing a quadrilateral one, it'll produce a map like this. I kind of implemented my own moisture map algorithm for this. I'm probably going to see if I can try to implement the one this dude's using, but for now I'm pitchy with the one I'm working on. And then the Biome Map. This map can be used for either 2D or 3D. It doesn't matter. Okay, I guess for now this is sort of over with at the moment. If there's anything else I need to show? I don't think so. Well, actually, I could explain how what I'm doing to generate the height map. What I'm doing is I'm using 3 different noise functions that takes the size of the map and then divides it by 2. I'm using these 3 waves to generate 3 different kind of noise functions, and then down here in the code I'm combining all 3 of them into one, and I'm clamping it from 0 to 1, and I'm making sure that it's I multiply it by 3 to make sure that it's uniform. Then I combine the mask, which could be either a sphere or a quad map, and then I do some calculations to basically create the island. Then after that I produce the moisture map, which is like I said before, it determines how moist the area is, and then after that I just simply put in different values for the biome map. It's fairly straightforward, actually. It's kind of shocking how easy it was. Okay, other than that, other news, I have to say I've been kind of relearning Opengl again. I will post links to this GitHub that contains a lot of demos. Some of them work, some of them don't work. It's just basically a whole bunch of demos of Opengl code. I can play one if you want me to. Let's see here. Let's see here. Opengl demos. Let's do multi-lighting, because why not? Multi-lighting is awesome. As you can see, it's just demos. It's just me testing stuff, relearning. I'm learning Opengl 4 And I think this is pretty much it for this video. Again, I apologize for not posting videos. I've just been both sick and having a lot of issues. It's been a pretty rough year or two, and the next time the video I'm going to create, I'm going to focus on generating land for this little project, and I will hopefully have a 3D demo of islands being generated with some, say, a plane that is water for the moment. Well, I will see you all later, and you all take care.